What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your profile picture on Microsoft Outlook. To get started, open up your web browser and go to outlook.live.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select My Profile. This will take you to your Microsoft account settings under the Your Info section. At the top of this page, just above your name, you will see an option to change photo. Click on it and then follow the on-screen instructions to upload a new profile picture. You can either select a photo from your device or drag and drop one into the upload box. Once you've chosen your picture, adjust it as needed and then click Save to apply the changes. Your new profile picture will now appear in Outlook and across all Microsoft services linked to your account. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.